What's up, guys? If you're searching for a financial management tool that can handle everything from budgeting to forecasting, you've probably heard of Planful. But does it live up to the hype in 2025? In this video, we'll explore every detail, the good, the bad, and whether it's the right choice for your needs. Stick around to find out. Planful is a comprehensive financial planning and analysis software that aims to simplify complex processes like budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. One of its biggest strengths is its cloud-based nature, which ensures accessibility from anywhere, a must-have in today's hybrid work environment. The platform's automation capabilities are a major time saver, reducing errors and freeing up teams to focus on strategic decisions. Real-time collaboration features allow multiple users to work on the same data simultaneously, improving efficiency. Planful's dashboards and reporting tools are highly customizable, providing actionable insights tailored to your business needs. Integration with major ERP systems is another plus, ensuring smooth data flow across platforms. Users often highlight its scalability, making it a good fit for growing businesses. On the downside, some find the initial setup complex, and the lack of clear pricing details can be frustrating. Despite these challenges, Planful stands out for its robust functionality and adaptability, making it a solid option for companies serious about optimizing their financial operations. After breaking it all down, Planful is definitely a powerful tool, but it's not for everyone. If you're willing to invest time and resources into mastering it, the payoff could be huge. But if you need something simpler or more affordable, you might want to keep looking. Drop a comment below with your thoughts, and if you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.